Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year to each and every one of you. I wish you all the best in 2022. My God answer all of your prayers. So guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today is how to make this crochet wig. If it's your first time to stop by, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and please, before you leave, like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Wig cap I use from this video is dome cap. I got it from Amazon. You can Google dome cap and you'll get it. So I pin it well in this head, and then I use this Afro Kinky Crochet Hair. This is Mali braiding hair. This is how it is inside. You have 20 pieces each package. So I cut up because I don't need this up. So this is how it is. And this is one piece. So in the beginning, one piece I divide into three, and I didn't cut. I just use like this. Yes, one piece I divide into three, and then I start to crochet. This is short, so we don't need to cut, and I use this crochet needle. I also got it from Amazon. So when I crochet, I try to put a little far from one crochet to another, because this is kinky hair, so don't crochet close to each other, because end of the day they will look too full. So keep space from one crochet to another. And I did crochet outside. You can see in the middle here I leave it empty without crochet, and here after I crochet I only open the loop and I seal only one time, but I make sure I seal it well before I jump to another crochet.
Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the stars.
So here in the middle, and you can see the space I keep in the middle. Then I go ahead and take hairband, then I secure this middle section so that I can continue well on other round. In this wig, because it's crochet and this is kinky hair, we have to keep space. Yes, in this wig we only crochet only 3 rounds. So here this is the second round, and then you have to crochet far from each other. Don't worry, honey. If you are worried, don't worry. This is kinky hair. If you crochet too close to each other, the wig is gonna be too full. And here the section I crochet is a little small. In first round, each section I divide into 3, but the second round, each one piece of kinky I divide into 4 pieces. Then here I crochet more far from each other compared with the first round. So continue crochet, and you have to make sure every time you secure well your crochet hair, because I want to wear this wig long time. I don't want to waste my time to make the wig that I'll wear only one time or two times. Because this wig I want to wear long time, so I seal the hair well. This is the second round, and you can see the difference between the first round and the second round. You can see how far I crochet from one hair to another, and then I secure it well middle here, and then the last round I'm going to use needle and yarn. The color must be black if you use black color. So if you use gray or other color, of course the yarn you are using to seal must be the same to match with your hair. So here I'm going to show you how I seal this wig in different angles so that you can see very clear, because sometimes it's a bit difficult to explain like what I exactly do more than to watch by yourself what I'm doing. So keep watching. I put my camera in different angles so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. But every section after I seal, I make sure I seal on the cap one time, then I seal the hair. Oh my god, if this makes sense, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, you can see here I seal the hair, and I make sure I seal the hair 2 times so that my hair can be secured very well. Then the third one, I cross the needle on the wig cap, because if you only seal without one empty hole, it means it will be easy for your hair to move out. So the first time, the second time, then the one more time, I move to empty hole so that I can seal again another section. And out of this round, each one piece I divide into 6 pieces. The first round, each one piece of kinky hair I divide into 3. The second round, each one piece I divide into 4. And this the last round, each piece I divide into 6, so that I can get a very natural look of my wig. And here, don't crochet it or don't seal your hair very close to each other. Keep space from one to another, but you have to make sure when you move back or when you hold it in the middle, the hair will cover all the hearts. Your wig cap will not show out. But fewer hair, keep a little space from one to another. Here you have to keep very little space. Just make sure your wig cap will not show, but don't crochet it too much. As I said earlier, this is natural wig. Here is Afro Kink. So guys, keep space. Up to this point, I only use one package of Afro Kinky Hair. Can you imagine? Only one package. And up to this time, I can say it's only 1 hour or 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes I used to make this wig. It's very, very easy wig, yet beautiful. So here I'm going to pull some hair out so that I can get that natural look on my wig. Yes, slowly keep pulling, just very, very few hair. Don't pull too much. Fewer hair. Continue pulling all the round so that you can get natural look in the beginning. And this is how this wig looks like. This it is. So let me go ahead and put on this wig. Then you can see how it is. So I'm here with my hair. I only braid several lines, and this is our wig. So I go ahead and put it on. And this is the final result, guys. Can you believe? It's such a very, very natural wig ever. And I love it. This it is very natural. I hope you love it and you enjoy watching this video. Please don't leave without subscribe and give this video thumb up. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.